Hello everybody, welcome to the C++ Ultimate course. In this C++ complete course, we will talk about, we talk about switch statement. Now, I promise that in upcoming video, I will talk about some coding exercise. And now that is the time to program in some coding on switch statement. Now, switch statement is exactly like if, but it has some it has some difference that we study in first video of switch statement, right? It has its own rules, right? Now let's do it practically, some coding exercise. The first coding exercise is that int weekday, right, int weekday. After that, cout, enter. What happens? Okay, cout, and after that enter your week, right? Weekday number, like this weekday number. After that, and lncn what weekday, right? Now switch case, switch. After that, this is the syntax, right? Switch weekday, weekday. If this weekday, case number 1, if it become 1, print me what? Saturday, like this, right? And after that, break. Now what is case, what is break? We know, right? If you don't know, please check the first video of switch. We already upload on our YouTube channel, right? Case number 2, if it become 2, right? Simply cout what? Sunday, right? And after that, break. Case number 3, say if it become 3, it will print me Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? After that, break. Case number 4, if it become 4, it will print me Tuesday, right? Tuesday, like this, right? Tuesday. And after that, break. Case number 5, say if it become 5, I mean the user enter 5 here, it will print me cout Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, I think, like this. Doesn't matter if it Wednesday. Okay, fine. And after that, break. If it becomes 6, after that will be Thursday, semicolon. After that, break. Case number last, say I tell you on the first video that we have more than one case as well that I will also work on, right? Cout what will be Friday, and after that, break. Now just take the look, and don't need of explaining the program because it's easy. Someone user will come here and enter 2, it will say Sunday, right? If user enter 4, it will Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes. If it becomes 6, Thursday. If it becomes 7, Friday. But one thing more, if it becomes like 10, what will be the output? Nothing, because this is, I mean, there we don't have any case on 10. I want what? Default. And simple cout what? Invalid number. Simple. Now just take a look. If someone comes here, write 9, invalid number. Right. This was all about the first program that we talk is into weekday. And okay, this was our first program. I want to comment. You can write this one also. The second program that we have is this one, my dears. We have here enter character. We have grade. Enter your grade. After the grade, if it become A, excellent grade. If it become B, very good grade. If it becomes C, good, and so on. Right. Okay, let's do it practically. I want to do grade. Right, grade. After that, see out, simple, enter your grade. Enter your grade. Right, after NL and CN, what, grade. Now if switch that grade, case number 1, if it become A, character, for character we have single quotes. If it become A, see out, what, excellent, simple, and break. Why we use break, you know better. If it become case number 2, if it become B, colon, not semicolon, after see out, very good, and after break. Case number 3 say if it becomes single quote C, see out, what, just good, and break. Right. Case number 4 say if it becomes C, A, B, C, D, see out, what, well, after that break. After that, none of these become default. We have optional and see out, invalid, what, entry, invalid entry. Now just take a look and stay with me. Enter your grade. Like my grade is A, excellent. Right. What is your grade? My grade is B, very good grade. What is your grade? My grade is C or D, well. If I write like F, we don't have F, invalid entry. But this program has one problem, and if you find this problem, just leave your comment and write me, and promise that I will send you a gift. Okay, what is the problem? Just leave a comment and write in the comment section. Okay, now what is the problem of this program? That is, if I write here A, excellent grade, no problem. But if I write capital A, invalid entry, wow, what is the problem? Now in this case we need 2 cases, and we are allowed to add another case like this. If it become greater A or capital A. If it capital A or small a, doesn't matter, it will give you excellent. Now copy and paste case number 2. If it become capital B or small b, doesn't matter, at the end semicolon, and also use case C, and also use here case D. This was all about this problem, right, that we solve. Okay, just run, and we have problem here. We miss colon. Just run it again and see the result. Enter your grade. My grade is C. Good. Okay, no problems and everything is fine. This was all about for this video, my dears. In this video we talk about some coding exercise on switch, and I hope your concept and your logic on switch and if else if, because I actually work on different types of program, right? And you have to practice as well. Okay, this was all for this video, my dears. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn something new from this video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and share it with your friends as well. And do subscribe for more videos. This was all about for this video. If you are new students, my dears, please subscribe our YouTube channel and stay with me, and also access the playlist, right? And my dears, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.